reviewer. Mystery reviewing item every time. Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. It's Tiny Reviewer. I'm reviewing another hand game from Dollar Tree. Desktop football this time. 3 years and up. So this is what it looks like. So obviously it's from Dollar Tree, which means everything is $1, and this is $1. You probably have to assemble it again. Looks like the hockey is the only one we didn't have to assemble. There you go, that's it. Just open up, sorry for the camera wobble. So, that's that. And these are, this is the goalpost, that's the launcher, and somewhat that's the football. So it looks like we have to, let's first connect the goalpost. I don't know where to put this, let's just, let's put this aside right now. My father's gonna keep it handy. So this is the goalpost. It looks like we have to kind of put this in this gap right here in order to make, the little V-shapey thingy that's at a football stadium. Doesn't go in easily, as it. So I'm gonna ask my father to do this while I connect the launcher. The launcher was the same thing, so it looks like I have to kind of launch it again. So this is gonna go in sideways. Oopsies, not that far. There we go. All right, looks like he did it. I don't know how he got it. So it looks like I would have to do this out of camera because I'm not sure if this goalpost will appear at the camera. So it's gonna go inside here. So that's the football. So if it comes out, my father's gonna catch it. So it has to go over this little, V-shaped thing, more of a robotic U. A V is this, but it's this kind of more of a robotic U. So it's kind of an odd shape. I wish I could go to another place and I could catch it. I'm not sure if it even went through it, but anyways, strike one. I was calling it a strike. I had to go down in my chair in order to see it. Sorry, kind of slouching down. My father didn't catch it. My father needs to catch it. 1, 2, out. That didn't go in. It missed the base. Let's see. Nope, that hit the base. That almost went through. I have another ball next to me. Come on. That's too loose, which means I'm gonna do a little bit stronger. That also hit the base. Come on, stay right there. Don't go screeching everywhere. All right, let's adjust it. Football. There you go. And one went through. That also went through. That also went through. All right, so that's really it for today. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Where are you guys? Funny, huh? Off you go. There it is.